Bullish render cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $2.31 and $5.04 by 2030. Market investigators accept Rndr could reach $2.31 by 2025. Bearish render market cost expectation for 2022 is 41 cents. Render presentation. The crypto world was worked as a protected organization to upgrade existing document sharing innovation. Furthermore, pretty much every endeavor in the digital money market has a remarkable element that separates it from the opposition. Numerous financial backers have developed more inquisitive about the normal exchanging value as a result of the crypto world's unequaled exorbitant cost expectation and likely benefit. One such crypto is the Rndr token. Monetary councils suggest going through the information gathered from central and specialized investigations to make a drawn-out Rndr token cost forecast. There are certainly benefits to the crypto world. The autonomy of computerized money opens up numerous potential outcomes. The organization gives prudent, adaptable money, calculated, and putting away choices as steady coins and dApps develop. To partake, the opportunities at the most extreme cost of the Rndr token increments. What is Rndr? The Rndr organization is changing the arrangement of computerized content by being the top provider of worldwide GPU-based delivering innovations. With the Rndr organization, you can get to GPU delivering capacities at a practical cost and snappiness of inner delivering. It will likely connection clients looking for delivering position with other people who have free GPUs to execute these renders. Administrators interface the Rndr organization to their GPUs to get done with delivering projects utilizing OTOY. Clients move the Rndr token to the individual doing the delivery, while the OTOY gets a level of it for dealing with the installment and dealing with the Rndr organization. GPU proprietors can begin acquiring Rndr tokens when they've recorded their GPUs as hub administrators on the Rndr organization. The GPU administrators deal with this by taking on tasks from creatives or individuals searching for delivering administrations who transfer their resources and have administrators allocated to them on the Rndr organization. The site gets a little part of the Rndr token conveyed to keep the organization running and help with exchanges. Rndr specialized examination. The example of the Rndr token value expectation. Rndr token sellers attempt to reply by utilizing a scope of methods. Outline examples and pointers are two general classes for these methodologies. They additionally utilize key and specialized examination for cost expectation. Other than the Rndr token cost expectations, brokers likewise search for a huge obstruction level and backing level, which could show when an expansion or slump is lean to stop. Rndr oscillators. Relative strength record. The RSI is a gifted development-based oscillator. The RSI is utilized to measure both the speed and the extent of the Rndr token cost forecast development. At the point when the RSI is charted, it offers a visual means to follow a market's solid and flimsy parts, counting the crypto market's greatest cost and past all-time excessive cost, contingent upon cost development all through an exchanging meeting, the security or not entirely settled, delivering a reliable sign of force and cost changes, regardless of the commonness of utilized speculation instruments and money-settled resources. The RSI has set up a good foundation for itself as a useful proportion of cost expectations. Energy pointer. Mother is known as an essential marker that checks the pace of the cost of a Rndr token speculation. It differentiates the cost of Rndr token right now with the past all-time exorbitant cost. An oscillator going over and beneath the beginning stage is framed from the ongoing diagram. It has no upper or lower limit and is a totally limitless oscillator. One can recognize negative and bullish readings via looking for differences, middle leaps, and unreasonable reading. The pointer oftentimes consolidates with extra signals. Rndr current cost. Rndr has moved 5.09% as of now with an exchanging volume of $17,100,782. Rndr is at present positioned 162 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $119,275,884 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination uniqueness from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Rndr to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Rndr value expectation 2022. Rndr, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Rndr cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to 77 cents. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 72 cents in cost is very aggressive, however it is doable soon given expected joint efforts and headway. Rndr is supposed to have a base worth of 61 cents. Rndr value expectation 2023. In 2023, Rndr cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Rndr will before long outperform $1.29. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the Rndr's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Rndr will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.03 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.13. Rndr Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $1.80 and Rndr might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Rndr is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.65 and a low of $1.54 in 2024. Rndr Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Rndr effectively helps market feeling among digital money lovers, the Rndr coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Rndr will be green in 2025. The Rndr is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $2.31, with a base cost of $2.06 and a typical cost of $2.16. Rndr Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Rndr cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $2.67 by 2026, with a base cost of $2.57 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Rndr has a most extreme value worth of $2.83. Rndr Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $3.19. On the off chance that Rndr figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $3.34. Neglecting to assemble the help Rndr needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $3.09. Rndr Value Expectation 2028. While Rndr is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $3.60 and a yearly cost close above $3.86 in 2028. Rndr Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Rndr will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $4.11 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $4.37, averaging out at $4.22. Rndr Value Forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future price tags with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance and you should DYOR.